Para to sa lahat ng seafood lovers na taga Tarlac City. May nasubukan kaming bago dito na nagsispecialize ng iba't ibang seafood at meron din silang soft shell crabs. At eto ha, if you're dining with a group, perfect para sa inyo itong promo nila. Kung saan for only 1,599 you get 1.5 kilograms na mixed seafood, isang pitcher ng iced tea, 3 rice, isang malaking fish fillet with coleslaw, tapos may libreng tuna pa nga and chicken. This is Going Merry Seafood Restaurant located dito sa The Conway Square Bypass Road. Malapit lang ito sa SM Tarlac. Open daily from 12 noon up until 9 p.m. at marami rin silang parking space. Kung sakali namang may kasama kayong hindi kumakain ng seafood, don't worry kasi meron din silang chicken, beef, and pork dishes. Pero tayo, syempre, since nandito na rin lang, lalabanan na natin yung mga seafood. Sakto kaninang papunta pa lang dito, lahat kami nagkikrave ng sinigang, kaya ayan agad yung in-order namin. This is sinigang na salmon sa miso, pero meron din sila nung sinigang na hipon at sinigang na pampano. Tapos eto guys, crispy fried na soft shell crab na merong aligye sauce. And just in case na hindi pa kayo nakakatikim nito, yes, literal na makakain mo talaga yung buong crab. This naman is their garlic lava prawn where you get jumbo prawns topped with roasted garlic cream and melted cheese. It is super rich. I think this would go so well with a lot of chili oil and then a squeeze of lemon. After that, isusunod naman natin itong velvet egg shrimp. This has a very creamy salted egg yolk sauce na merong extra flavor from curry leaves and red chilies. Ang masasabi ko lang, ilabas ang extra rice. This next one naman ay yung seafood kare-kare. So kita nyo ang lalaki ng tahong, merong hipon, squid, and vegetables, tapos meron din kasamang bagoong yan. And finally, eto na nga yung ating family platter. Eto yung pangalawang size nila ng platter. Apart from this, meron pa sila ng barkada platter na 2.5 kilograms naman yung mixed seafood at yung ultimate platter naman na 4 kilograms. We ordered this in Cajun sauce and yung platter niya has soft shell crabs, shrimp, squid, mussels, clam, corn, and sausages. Super enjoy ko itong fish fillet na may kasamang coleslaw. Tapos eto na yung kanyang freebie na tuna pa nga and chicken. At eto ha, yung freebie na yan na makukuha nyo sa kanilang platter is available until further notice. So ibig sabihin, wala pang deadline, kaya hanggat meron pa, samantalahin nyo na. Magkano rin kaya to sa ibang restaurant? Tapos dito libre lang. So sa lahat ng taga Tarlac City na mahilig sa seafood, may bago na kayong pupuntahan.